Hello, today I am going to discuss about how to schedule a class using Congrea. First you have to go to the Moodle for Teachers. Go to the course Live Online Virtual Engagement and then click Congrea. Dr. Nelly was kind enough to provide us with the link so that we can practice our sessions in Congrea. So just click onto the link. Here you can see Congrea Live Online Virtual Engagement, upcoming sessions, recorded sessions and scheduled session. When you click onto the upcoming sessions, you can see the sessions which are upcoming. So here there are 7 sessions which we can see which are the upcoming sessions. Then we can, if you click on the recorded sessions, in the free version of Congrea, you cannot see any recording sessions. So you will not see anything recorded in this except Dr. Nelly's 2 videos over here. Then we are having the schedule a session. So we click on to schedule a session and then add a session. So when you are adding a session, here is the calendar. So I can schedule it. I can change the date accordingly. So I am scheduling a session for today, that is 3rd May 2020. I have to select a time from here. So it can be, let us say it is 4 o'clock and then I can say it is 4:30. So once you select the time, you have to decide about time. So I schedule a session for, let us say, 30 minutes and then I have to add a teacher. So when I click onto this, I have to select the teacher. So here it is, I select myself as a teacher here, and then if I want to repeat the session, I can click on to the repeat the session. Accordingly, it will be adjusted. Right now, I don't want to do any such thing. I've already scheduled my session at 3 p.m. Therefore, so I will not say save changes, but if I save changes, my session will be added over here. Thank you for watching.